What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can fund your BullX account, aka from your Phantom wallet to BullX trading bot. Also, before we get started, if you guys want to get a 10% lifetime trading fee discount on BullX, you can use my sign up link from the description below and create a new account with that perk. So let's get started. Now, once you open up your BullX account, you will be on your homepage right here. So just hover over this left hand side menu and click on Wallet Manager, the last option. Once you're in your Wallet Manager, you can select which wallet you want to fund. So at the moment I only have one wallet created, so it's automatically selected. And if you take a look at the right hand side, you can see this little menu right here. Now on this menu, you need to click Add Funds. And if you're using your Solana wallet, aka your Phantom wallet, you would need to change this to Solana. And now the wallet address also changed. So to fund your wallet, you can either scan it with your phone, or you can manually copy this wallet address by just clicking on it, and then exit this. Now you need to log in into your Phantom wallet. And once you log in into your Phantom wallet, you need to click on this send icon right here. Here you can select which currency you want to send, so in this case Solana would be the best. And you need to paste in the recipient's Solana address, aka your address from BullX. Now here you need to select the amount of Solana that you want to send, let's say 5 Solana. And then all you need to do is just click next, and on the next screen you just need to click confirm and confirm the transaction. After that, in just a few moments, 5 Solana will appear on your BullX wallet right here. And that's how you can transfer over Solana from Phantom to BullX, aka funding your BullX account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.